ready to have a paint party. It's going to be in a week and a half, and we're painting this cup of sunshine. So what I need to do for the paint party is I need to trace a lot of canvases, because at the paint parties I give out the pre-traced canvases instead of having the people who come to the paint party take a half an hour to do this. And I get the tracer, I print that out on my printer. I get some graphite paper, which is better than carbon paper because you don't want carbon paper. It turns things green or purple or blue depending on the carbon paper you get. So the graphite paper works really well. I set that on the canvas in between the tracer and the canvas, and then I just start drawing. And I tend to get about 20 to 30 people attending my paint parties, and so I start doing this about a week and a half ahead of time once people start signing up. For the paint party, I always recommend you get people to sign up and pay ahead of time. Otherwise, you'll end up having wasted a lot of canvases because they'll sign up, they won't show up because they haven't paid ahead of time, and you'll have all these canvases and all this paint ready to go that you purchased, and people won't be there. Anyway, to get a lot more information about having a paint party, I do have an affiliates link below. It's Paint Party Headquarters, and it's online. Wonderful company. I use them to learn how to have paint parties and how to have them successfully. And we always get some new paintings every month that we can use for paint parties. And there's also a script which tells you how to get venues to allow you to have paint parties there. So I highly recommend Paint Party Headquarters, and this is what I'm doing. I'll be doing this for the next hour or so, trying to get a lot of canvases pre-drawn for the paint parties, but it's going to be fun. Please consider leaving a like and subscribe, and do hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I have another video coming online.